Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I just want to talk Clinique cheek pops today, and the reason I'm doing that is a new one came into the collection. I think it's that one, yeah. I mean, this type of shade isn't normally me at all. I mean, it's very, very bright. So this is the Clinique 03 Berry Pop. And I actually picked this up from Depop just because I feel like they've gotten too expensive. Like when I first bought my original one, which is Melon Pop, which you'll see in a second, I didn't pay that much for it. I paid £19 and now they're £25. So for this one I paid £15 including shipping. She wanted £15 for the blush, and I said, would you take 12? Because I didn't want to pay more than 15, and then obviously I knew that I had to pay shipping. This is an absolute stunning shade. I mean, I was talking to Lisa earlier this morning and I'm like, that looks quite bright. I wouldn't say it looks like a berry, but it does, guys. I would say for definite this is a berry shade. So that's the shade there. It's absolutely stunning. Can't wait to get that on the cheeks, and we'll definitely be pulling that out in the next shot my stash. So let me talk. I've got 4 in total. I don't know if I said that, but let me talk you through the shades and I'll do some swatches with you. Let's talk you through the first ever one I bought. So again, it was Clinique Ginger Pop. No, that's Opal Pop. Here we go. So it was Clinique Ginger Pop in 01. And you can just see there's barely any flower left. And it's so domed. I absolutely love this for summer. I mean, I wear it all year round. I mean, I love that the satin, they're not matte, they're not shimmery. The satin, I love that about them. I remember when I first bought it, and you know, I've always been into the not so matte look when it comes to blushes, and I said, is it shimmery? And she said, oh no, it's matte. It's not matte. That is not matte at all. Neither one of them are. So that's again 01 Ginger Pop. I would like to get Pink Pop and maybe Melon Pop. Which ones are these? So these are the ones that Naomi gifted me, and they're completely different to the ones that I've got. So these are marketed as Clinique's Cheek Pop Pearl Blush. So these are marketed as a luminescent blush. So this is 01 Opal Pop. And you can see I've used quite a bit on this. I mean, I've also swatched it quite a bit. I feel like this one is really, really light. So considering what I use, that's Ginger Pop, compared to that is really, really light. But I do really like it nonetheless. And then we've got another one. So that's in Topaz Pop, which is 02. So again, these are completely different formulas, but they don't look like a different formula. And this one's barely been used, so I need to bring this out in winter. I wouldn't say they look different to the normal Clinique cheek pops. But that's all the shades I've got. I'm going to be getting Pink Pop for sure, and maybe Melon Pop. So maybe we can do a least favourite to favourite of these blushes when I've got the other 2 blushes that I want. But I'm in no rush to get them. I'll probably get them in Black Friday sale along with that Dior blush that I want. In regards to palettes, I've kind of put myself on this. I wouldn't say it's strict, but I put myself on this eyeshadow palette ban kind of thing, just because I've got so many in my collection. So I want to talk to you in an upcoming video about the palettes that I've decided not to get for myself, that I was sure that I was going to get because I'd wanted them so badly. I mean, you're probably aware of them anyway, but yeah, I wanted to do a dedicated video on that. And yeah, this concludes that little video. I just wanted to show you all these Clinique cheek pops. I'll say this is my favourite. Looking at them going down the arm, I'd say this new one is my favourite, and I've not even had it on the cheeks yet. Oh, I really feel like putting it on the cheeks, guys. I've got pink blusher on, so maybe we could put it over the top. Let's have a look. Yeah, here, maybe just put it over the top a bit. But I don't want to go too vibrant with this red lip. So I'll leave it as it is. When I shop my stash next week, we'll obviously use it then, and we'll do a get ready with me using it. So yeah, leave that here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, it really does help my small channel grow, and I massively appreciate it. Share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.